Welcome. In this video we are going to learn FTP brute login attack in Metasploit using FTP login module. This module will test FTP logins on a range of machines and report successful logins. If you have loaded a database plugin and connected to a database, this module will record successful logins and host so you can track your access. Let's open up terminal and load MSF console. Type use auxiliary /scanner FTP _login. The FTP login auxiliary module will scan a range of IP addresses attempting to log in to FTP server. This module can take both word list and user specified credentials in order to attempt to log in. Type info. Here you can see that module options and descriptions. Let's set our host as 148.138.144.170. Set threads 30. Let's set username and password file. Here I saved username and password file most recently people used. Type set user_file root desktop usernames.txt. Type set pass_file root desktop password.txt. Let's see the options. Here you can see that all options are set. Execute the module. Type run. Here you can see that brute force attack is started. If any username and password matches, it will terminate. So that's it in this video on FTP brute login in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.